Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to delete a Zepeto account. First, open the Zepeto application on your mobile device. Once the app is open, navigate to your profile by tapping the profile icon, typically found in the bottom right corner of your screen. From your profile page, locate and tap the settings icon, which looks like a small gear, usually positioned in the top right. 6. Next, within the Settings menu, you will find an option labeled My Account. Tap on this to proceed. Depending on your app version, you might then need to go into Account Details before seeing the Delete Account option. It's crucial to remember that deleting your account is a permanent action, meaning all your data will be removed. 6. Before finalizing, it's important to understand the consequences. All your in-app currency, including coins and Zems, along with any purchased items and your custom avatars, will be permanently deleted. This information cannot be restored after deletion. Furthermore, you will be unable to create a new Zepeto account using the same personal information for a period of 3 months. 8. After confirming your decision, your account will be scheduled for deletion. There is a grace period of 7 days during which you can cancel the request by simply logging back into your account. However, if you do not log in within those 7 days, all your account-related information will be permanently deleted after 30 days, ensuring complete data removal. 3.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.